Hi, welcome. I've just created this little tutorial on completing your Google Sheet for recording your income, your expenditure, and most importantly your VAT and your VAT analysis. So in the first sheet here is just a heading, so you'll put in your company name there. I've just put in John Smith. I'll just do it again. H. And here is analysis of all your overheads, all your expenditure. Okay, and any of this can be effectively added into, so you could put in here kind of like computer equipment or anything that further that you are buying. Okay, so it can all be changed. I can change this here to, say for example, light and heat as an analysis there. Okay. So effectively that can be done that way. I'll just bring this a little bit forward. Okay, so we'll move on into recording your income. Okay, so you've got the date, customer, and the total. It's going to actually add in here another column here, just a reference. So that will be the invoice number. So if we press here the 1st of June 2020, reference number 1, invoice number 1, customer, let's put in Jane Doe. Okay, so let's say the invoice that you've created is for 123 euros. So the VAT amount is the 23 euros and the net amount is the 100. Okay, and let's go here on the 2nd of June, the second invoice, invoice number 2, Jim Murphy. Okay, so this could be a different VAT rate. So if we said it was 1,135, okay, so the VAT amount is 13.5%, which is 135 euros, and the net here is 1,000. Okay, so all you're doing is you're putting in the VAT amount into this column here. Okay, and then the net figures go into here. So you've got net 23%, net 13.5%, net 0 if you're selling to the EU or if you're selling outside the EU. Okay, and we will have here just a total figure, which will do a total top there. So, and again, your VAT can be done on a 2-monthly basis. We'll modify your Google Sheet just so that it is specific to yourself. Okay, so that's how you record your income in relation to your expenditure. Okay, so we'll go here with June. So again, you know, this is kind of, I'll just put in here REF, so that's your reference there. So each bill that you have, you will put a number on it. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's go the 2nd of June 2020, and let's say you have a bill here from Collins & Co. Accountants. Again, let's say that's 123 euros. Now, I'm going to actually just move this over a little bit, so just you've got kind of greater clarity then on yeah, okay, so I'm actually just going to move this over because I just want to separate this a little bit. So this specifically then is the VAT amount. The VAT amount goes here, okay? So the VAT amount is 23 euros, that's on the bill. So we're just gonna, we have two analyses to do. We have the net analysis from a VAT perspective, and then we have the net analysis here from your expenditure, okay? So you've got two things. It's either goods are for resale or they're non-resale. So resale is that you're buying something and you're selling it on, and the non-resale is your overheads like your accounting, your legal, your ESB, your office supplies, and you know, motor expenses and so forth. Okay, so the net amount here, this is a non-resale item, it's accounting fees. So it's 100 euros goes in here. And then the 100 euros will go in here under professional fees. Okay, so that's the way that will be there. Okay, so let's say your second bill, bill number 2, So you put in the date, 2nd of June 2020, and let's say it's for the ESB. And let's say you got a large ESB bill of 1135. So the VAT amount is 135 euros. Now again, it's non-resale, okay, and there is 1,000 euros that goes here, and then in the light and heat there's 1,000 euros, okay. So let's say you're buying an item, there's a bill, next bill is for goods that you're buying for resale, okay. So let's say, for example, let's call it widget company, okay, and let's say that's 123 euros. I'm going to keep it very, very simple here, okay. So again, the VAT amount goes in the VAT column, okay. Now this is a product that you bought for reselling, okay, and again it goes in the resale analysis here of 100 euros, okay. So you can see, you know, of the three bills here, okay, first of all you put in the total, then you put in the VAT, okay, and this is the basis for doing your VAT returns. It's this figure here, the total of these figures over the 2 months or over the quarter or over the 6 months will be the basis then of the VAT that will be knocked off your VAT on sales. And again, kind of like the important aspect here, this is for your VAT return of trading details, and the importance of the VAT return of trading details is if the form is not complete, it holds up on your tax clearance and it holds up on you getting any VAT refunds that are due back to you. So this analysis is important, and all it is net figures. It's putting in the net purchases either for resale or non-resale, and I've given you 3 examples here. This analysis here then, okay, and I'll create a column here for kind of cost of sales. So if I go back to my headings here, I can kind of change this to COS, cost of sales, okay. And go back into here, see it automatically changes there. So the 100 euros there, that goes into cost of sales, which is your goods that you're buying to resell, okay. So again, we'll have all total figures here, and when we're effectively talking to you, we will slightly modify this to effectively suit your business, so we can put in here the appropriate headings that would be specific to your business, because some of these may not be applicable. So all of this can be effectively changed for you, but we will sit down with you and kind of go through that. But this is just a simple little video that helps you have an understanding of how to actually kind of complete this. And if you have any problems, you can kind of get straight back to us. Okay, so this will be on the Google Sheets as well for you to effectively watch. Okay, take care. Bye.